Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Optimizer. So in this video we are going to see the overview of the Hypermesh GUI, that is graphical user interface. Okay, so this is the main GUI where the users are going to interface with these graphics. Okay, so let us start. So if you just see, so this is called as toolbars. So whatever these collectors are there, or this is what a visualization, this is called as toolbars. This you can place here. Okay, so let us discuss one by one area. So this is called as graphics area. Okay, this blue color window will be the graphics area. Then whatever you are seeing at this right side, that is geometry, 1D, 2D, 3D, it is called as menu pages. So there are different menu pages available in the Hypermesh. This is called as menu pages. Okay, now these are some main menus. Okay, these are some main menus. So once you are going to click on any of this one, some panels are going to be open. Okay, so for example, I am going to click on this nodes. So these panels will be open. Okay, so menu pages, main menu, and these are the panels. Okay, and whatever you are seeing at this location, these all are toolbars of the Hypermesh. Okay, these all are the toolbars. Now if you just see this left side view, so this left side is called as tab area, where different menus are there. So this is called as tab area. This left side part is tab area. Okay, and now last part, that is, if you just this file, edit, view, it is called as pull down menus. Why it is called as pull down? So once you are going to click on this one, some down options will be shown. So that's why it is called as pull down menu. Okay, so let us revise once again. So this is graphics area, this is main menu or menu pages, main menu, these are the panels, these all are toolbars. Okay, and this is called as a tab area, and these are pull down menus. Okay, so I hope you understood all the different sections of the Hypermesh. Now if you just see, now I will discuss some controls of the Hypermesh. Okay, so how to operate or how to interact with this Hypermesh. So for that I will create one line here. So this we are going to cover afterwards also. So just see, I have created one line. Okay, now let us discuss what are the different control options are there. Okay, so if you want to pan it, pan means if you want to just relocate it, you need to click on control and right click mouse. Okay, right click of the mouse, control plus right click is for pan. Okay, now control plus left click is for rotate. Control plus left click is useful for rotation of the object. Okay, and last one is control plus scroll up down, it is for zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so control right click is for pan, control left click is for rotate, and control plus scroll up down is for zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so same process you can do with these toolbars also. This toolbar name is called as 3D view control. Okay, so if you just see, this is for zoom left, if you click on this left mouse button, then it is zoom. Right click is for zoom out. So this one is for pan or rotate, not pan, it is for rotation. This is for pan. So this is how you can use this control with these toolbars also. Okay, so you can, if you want to drag the toolbars down, so just you need to be click on this dotted portion and just you need to draw down like this one, and again you can place like this one. Otherwise you just double click on this one, automatically it will be placed like this. Okay, now there are different what we can say planes. From this you can change the orientation, that is XY plane, then ZX plane. So in which orientation you want to see the object, that you can select from this one. If you want to see the isometric, you can click on this one. Okay, so this is a basic things you need to know before start of the program. Okay, so these are different controls we have discussed now. Okay, now let us see how to save the file, how to open file, how to import geometry, how to export model. So all these things we are going to see now. So just click on this file. So this new means any new model if you want to start, then you need to click on this new. Okay, so if it is Hypermesh file you want to start, then you need to click on this Hypermesh model. Okay, so likewise open, so whatever the file you have saved, if you want to open it, then you can use open option. If you want to save this, save model, save as, this is also different options available under this file. If you want to import the external geometry, then you need to click on this import, and from this geometry you can open this. Okay, so if you want to open some FEM file, you need to click on this SolverDeck. So likewise there are different options. Okay, so these are import. Similarly, export options are there. If suppose you have created some geometry here and if you want to export it, that is also possible. So with the help of this export menu, you can export this whatever geometry to any other softwares. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So there are different options. We are going to see a detail in different, with the help of different example. Okay, so in this video we have seen different controls, different sections of the hypermesh, and how to save file, how to open file, and how to import geometry, export geometry. All these things we have seen. I hope you understood this. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned to our channel so that you will get new videos. Thank you.